Hello Wobblies, I'm Chris with Wobbly Otter Outdoors, and today we're taking a look at several of the Dead Downwind products. When Bill and I were planning our trip to the Pacific Northwest, along the trip there were several places we were going to be staying that were in bear country. So we started looking at things to prevent the bears from being attracted to us. Of course, the biggest thing is not to put food inside your tent with you. So that is something that we don't do. We don't snack inside the tent, so we're good there. Fragrances that are sometimes in body lotions, shampoos, and things can attract bears, and also things like toothpaste and stuff like that. So while we took bear-aware actions for things like food and sweet-smelling stuff, we also were concerned about how we smelled. Since we were concerned about fragrances that might attract bears to us just from the way we naturally shampoo and things like that, we found Dead Downwind. The Dead Downwind line of products are in a category of product that are often used by hunters. There have always been things for hunters that are out there to cover up or have put a smell on that's maybe stronger than your natural smell. In contrast, the Dead Downwind line of products tries to keep the odor from being there in the first place. So you're not covering up one fragrance with another, you're eliminating the smells. So you become a dead spot, like you're not even there. They have three areas that they address. One is clothing smells, the second is personal hygiene smells, and lastly is, okay, the smell's there, it's on your gear, we need something to minimize, get rid of that. For laundry, Dead Downwind has two products. One that is the laundry detergent and the other that is the dryer sheets. The laundry detergent works in HE washing machines. So the way the laundry detergent works is it has enzymes and chelating agents that minimize the odor, remove the odors. Dead Downwind also says that it will remove blood stains. We used this laundry detergent to wash our clothes before we went on our trip that we were packing and taking with us, and we also took it on our trip, so when we were doing our laundry on the road, we had it with us. The dryer sheets are also enzyme preventative, and of course since they're dryer sheets, they're also providing the anti-static control. The dryer sheets come in a resealable little pouch. They are moist. The next group of products is relatively large and it's personal hygiene. It includes things like lip balm, and this particular lip balm has an SPF of 30. The toothpaste surprises me because it actually has a mint flavor. It does not have fluoride. On the back, it says to use the Scent Prevent toothpaste to start your day and follow up with Dead Downwind Scent Prevent mouth spray every 2 to 3 hours. The Base Camp all-purpose soap. It is biodegradable. It is sulfate and phosphate free. And the label indicates you can use it for pretty much anything. It is truly an all-purpose soap. You can use it for your hair and skin, to clean up after meals, and anything washable. So there you go. Whenever we're showering in the outdoors, we definitely look for a soap shampoo that is biodegradable. And so the fact that you get the scent removal action with a Dead Downwind plus it's biodegradable was important to us. One thing Dead Downwind notes in their literature are natural secretions by themselves don't have an odor. It's when the bacteria gets involved that the odor starts. The personal hygiene products break down the odor-causing bacteria as they're trying to form. They have an odorless hand and body lotion, and it's a pretty nice lotion. We were pleased with how it works. Sometimes when you're out camping, hiking, and hunting, water is at a premium, and clean water may not be readily available, and that's where the field washcloths come into play. They come in a pack of 20, and it has a resealable closure. This is their size. They're 8 inches by 8 inches. They have a bumpy texture on one side and a smoother texture on the other. They're nicely moist. They're not drippy. And they have a nice thickness to them. They're a little stretchy, especially that direction. They do have a nice weight. The next product is a body and hair soap. So this is an all-purpose bath soap that you can use. We tried it, we like it. The one thing we had trouble with on 2 bottles, one of them is this body and hair soap, is when we tightened the lid, we over tightened it and the top popped off. That also happened with the shampoo and conditioner that we got. Its top cracked when we tightened it too much. The other bottles we haven't had a problem with the lids, but because we had it happen on 2 of them, I would say just be careful and try not to over tighten a lid. We like the body and hair soap. It works good. I have to say though, we really like the shampoo and conditioner. We occasionally even get a bottle just to use for everyday use at the house. So the shampoo and conditioner, we can highly recommend. Just be careful with the lid. Their last group of products includes their 3D broad spectrum field spray, and it's made to remove odor from things that aren't you and aren't laundry. Specifically, Dead Downwind says to apply it literally to hunting apparel and equipment. So this can be any of your gear that you'd want to remove an odor from before you go out in the field. Specific types of odor that they say it's effective for are multiple types of human odor, food, exhaust, smoke, pet, foot, and contact. We had some gear that got wet and got a little stinky. We sprayed some field spray on it and it worked well for that. Of the Dead Downwind products, the ones we use the most are the shampoo and conditioner, the laundry, the field washcloths, and the dryer sheets. These are just some of the products that Dead Downwind carries. We'll put links to these items down in the description below.
Thank you for watching and subscribing to Wobbly Otter Outdoors.